Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood step by step. First, download the Robinhood app from your device's app store. Next, create your account by providing your email and setting a secure password. You'll then link your bank account, which is essential for funding your investments and withdrawing money. Finally, complete the identity verification process by submitting any necessary documents, like a driver's license or passport. This ensures your account is secure and compliant. Once your account is set up, you can easily deposit funds from your linked bank account. Robinhood offers instant deposits for up to $1,000, with larger amounts settling in a few business days. Take some time to explore the app's interface, including watch lists where you can track stocks of interest. Familiarize yourself with the various investment options, such as stocks, ETF, and options, and utilize the available educational resources to deepen your understanding. Ready to make your first trade? Use the search bar to find specific stocks or exchange-traded funds you're interested in. Before buying, review the market data and company information provided within the app. When placing an order, you can choose between a market order, which executes at the current price, or a limit order, which lets you set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy, review the details, and then confirm your trade. After making investments, it's important to regularly monitor your portfolio's performance. You can set up price alerts to stay informed about significant movements in your chosen assets. As your financial goals evolve, consider rebalancing your investments to maintain your desired asset allocation. When you're ready, withdrawing funds back to your linked bank account is a straightforward process, typically taking a few business days to settle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.